Episode 18, Crowdfunding for Beginners. Welcome back to Start Your Business Today. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of crowdfunding. If you're an entrepreneur eager to tap into community support, finance your startup, or bring your creative ideas to life, you're in the right place. Crowdfunding not only helps you raise money, but also allows you to gauge interest in your idea, build a community, and generate buzz. So grab a cup of coffee and let's jump right in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Section 1. What is crowdfunding? First, let's define crowdfunding. At its core, crowdfunding refers to the collective pooling of funds from individuals, groups, or organisations to support a new venture, project, or idea. This financing strategy leverages the power of the internet and social media to connect passionate individuals with promising projects. Types of crowdfunding. Crowdfunding generally falls into 4 main categories, each serving different purposes. Rewards-based crowdfunding. In this model, backers contribute to a project in exchange for non-monetary rewards. Think early access to products, exclusive merchandise, or personalised shout-outs. Equity crowdfunding. Here, investors receive equity or shares in the company in return for their financial contributions. This option can attract serious investors who want skin in the game. Debt crowdfunding or peer-to-peer lending. In this scenario, investors lend money to businesses or individuals, expecting interest payments over time, which works as a loan agreement. Donation-based crowdfunding. Individuals donate money to a cause or project and receive nothing in return. This is common for charitable initiatives. Today, we'll mostly focus on rewards-based and equity crowdfunding, as they are among the most popular approaches for startups. Section 2. Why choose crowdfunding? So, why should aspiring entrepreneurs consider crowdfunding? Let's break down a few key advantages. 1. Access to capital. Crowdfunding allows you to raise money without resorting to expensive bank loans or giving away substantial equity to venture capitalists. You gain access to the funds you need to get started while retaining control of your business. 2. Market validation. Launching a crowdfunding campaign is an excellent way to validate your business idea. If people are willing to put their money behind it, you know you're onto something. Building a community. Engaging with early supporters builds a loyal community around your project. These backers can become your first customers and brand advocates. 4. Marketing and exposure. A successful crowdfunding campaign acts as a marketing tool, generating buzz and raising awareness for your brand and product. While these advantages are enticing, it's crucial to understand that crowdfunding also presents challenges, which we will discuss shortly. But first, let's explore how to set up your successful crowdfunding campaign. Section 3. Key steps to a successful crowdfunding campaign. Now, let's get into the key steps to launching a successful crowdfunding campaign. Think of these steps as your roadmap to effectively attract backers and achieve your funding goals. Step 1. Research your options. Identify the right platform. Take the time to research various crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, GoFundMe, and Seed Invest. Each platform has its unique features, fees, and audience types, so find the best fit for your project. Step 2. Define your goals. Set a clear funding goal. Determine how much money you need to raise. Be realistic and base your goal on thorough calculations of the costs associated with your project. Balance what you need with what you believe your backers will consider achievable. Step 3. Create a compelling pitch. Tell your story. Craft a compelling narrative around your project. The story should resonate emotionally, detailing your journey, the problem you're solving, and what makes your solution unique. Use high-quality visuals. Invest time in creating professional graphics, images, and a captivating video to showcase your product or service. A compelling video can significantly boost engagement. Example: look at the success of the Pebble Watch. Their video featured engaging visuals and the founder sharing his personal story, which significantly contributed to their success on Kickstarter. Step 4. Develop reward tiers for rewards-based crowdfunding. Attractive rewards. Design meaningful rewards for backers at various contribution levels. Ensure the rewards are enticing and align with the amount contributed. Limited time offers. Create urgency by offering early bird specials or exclusive items to backers who contribute early in the campaign. Step 5. Build your campaign page. Well organized and informative. Your campaign page should highlight all essential elements, including your pitch video, project details, reward tiers, and frequently asked questions, FAQs, to address potential concerns. Step 6. Plan your marketing. Pre-launch. Buzz. Start building an audience before launching your campaign. Use social media, email newsletters, and relevant blog posts to create anticipation and excitement. Utilize influencers. Collaborate with social media influencers or bloggers relevant to your niche for added exposure during your launch. Step 7. Launch your campaign. Timing is key. Choose the right time to launch. Avoid distracting holidays or local events that may divert potential backers' attention. Initial momentum. Consider having friends and family contribute immediately after launching to gain initial traction and create social proof. Step 8. Maintain momentum. Regular updates. Keep your backers informed with regular updates about your campaign's progress. Transparency is key to keeping interest alive. Community engagement. Engage with your backers through comments and direct messages. Responding to questions shows that you value their support. Step 9. Post-campaign fidelity. Fulfill your promises. After successfully funding your project, deliver on your promises to your backers, whether that's providing rewards, keeping them updated, or delivering your product quality. Continuous engagement. Keep your backers updated about the project once the campaign is over. A loyal backer base can become ambassadors for your future projects. Section 4. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Now that you know the steps to creating a crowdfunding campaign, it's crucial to prepare for the common challenges you might face along the way. Here are some obstacles and their solutions. 1. Challenge 1. Lack of awareness. Solution: build your audience well in advance by using social media and personal networks to spread the word about your upcoming campaign. Second challenge, 2. Unclear value proposition. Solution: be extremely clear about what makes your product unique and why potential backers should care about your project. A strong value proposition is crucial for attracting backers. 3. Challenge 3. Underestimating costs of fulfillment. Solution: conduct thorough research on fulfillment costs, including production, shipping, and packaging before launching your campaign. Challenge 4. Burnout. During the campaign. Solution: don't be afraid to delegate tasks to trusted team members or supporters. Share responsibilities to keep your energy levels up. 5. Challenge 5. Negative feedback or low engagement. Solution: be open to constructive feedback and learn from it. Continuously analyze your engagement metrics and adjust your strategies accordingly. Section 5. Real-life examples. Let's take a quick look at 2 inspiring examples of successful crowdfunding campaigns. The Coolest Cooler. This project raised over $13 million on Kickstarter by presenting a very clear value proposition, an all-in-one cooler with features like a blender, Bluetooth speaker, and USB charger. This project resonated with a wide audience and captured the imagination. 2. Exploding Kittens. This card game raised over $8 million, with the most hilarious illustrations and a humorous approach to engagement. Their social media presence and outreach turned a simple game into a worldwide phenomenon. By understanding what worked for these projects, you can apply similar strategies in your campaign. Conclusion. To wrap things up, crowdfunding can be a transformative tool for your entrepreneurial journey. By carefully crafting your campaign and engaging with your supporters, you have the power to bring your vision to life. Remember, it's about more than just money. It's about connecting with people who believe in your idea. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your entrepreneurial friends, and subscribe for more empowering content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on crowdfunding. Drop any questions or your experiences in the comments below. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. Until next time, keep your dreams alive and take action. Bye for now.